Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, portability, and practicality, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters and weekend adventurers alike. With its robust 1000-watt motor, this e-bike delivers impressive acceleration and can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, providing a thrilling ride experience for those who love to zip through their surroundings. The bike's performance is further enhanced by its high-quality construction, which includes a sturdy aluminum frame designed to withstand the rigors of daily use while remaining lightweight enough for easy portability. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its 48V 20AH removable battery, which offers an astonishing range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. This makes it perfect for longer commutes or day trips without the constant worry of having to recharge. The battery is easy to remove, allowing for convenient charging indoors or on the go, and its longevity is impressive, ensuring that you can enjoy multiple rides between charges. Folding capability adds a layer of convenience that enhances the bike's versatility. It folds down quickly and compactly, making it simple to stow away in a car trunk or carry onto public transportation. This feature is a game-changer for those who might have limited storage space or who need to combine biking with other modes of transport. On the comfort front, the bike is equipped with adjustable handlebars and a cushioned seat that helps mitigate strain during longer rides. The front suspension system adds extra comfort by absorbing shocks from uneven terrain, making rides smoother and more enjoyable. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike stands out as an excellent investment for those seeking an efficient, powerful, and highly portable electric bicycle. Its combination of speed, range, and user-friendly features makes it a top contender in the e-bike market, appealing to both novices and seasoned riders.